Hey everyone, it's Lori. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to try out a new launch product. This is the Waver. I ordered this on pre-order about 6 weeks ago. I just got it a few days ago. And yeah, I am ready to give this a try. I've never used one of these before at all. And I bought this, like I said, on pre-order, and then I got a bunch of hair products that were on sale. This one came with it, the Thermal Magique, because my others came earlier, but this one came separately. It's a heat and humidity tamer. So, you guys, what I'm going to do is I love their boxes. Look at this. So cute. Now, am I affiliated with Launch? No, not in the least. I just hear all kinds of stuff about them on Facebook, and then I end up purchasing when they have sales. Because when they have sales, I mean, you can get really great, awesome prices when they are having a sale. Now, this is what it looks like. Sweet, y'all. I've never used one of these. As much of a hair person as I am, I've never used one of those. And it came with a glove. Okay, I needed this glove when I used the lay pearl. Remember when I did the curls? That's when I needed that. So that kind of tells me that this has a possibility of being hot, but it's got the handle down here, so I'm okay. They always have really good cords on their products, and they're always long. Look at this. I love that. So I'm going to plug it in, and we've got on and off, and then we got high and low, I do believe. How do I know if it's on? Does it have a light? Oh, okay. Check it out. It tells you, right now it's on 400. I'll take it down to 370. I don't have a problem with doing stuff on my hair at 400, believe me. I don't have a problem trashing my hair all the time. So, I'll lay that box there. I got my mat from my Amazon. To lay my hair products on. Look at this mat. It's like a dish mat, you know, that you put on your dish drainer. But now let's try this out. Spray all over hair before using any heat styling tools. Protects against heat damage as a light, flexible hold to your hairstyle. Okay. Now I washed my hair yesterday. So, oh, that stuff smells really good. So this is my hair day one, because I washed it last night. And I love hair products, you guys. Like hair tools, hair products. Like I'm a hair junkie. I've been saying that I'm going to cut my hair because it's growing so fast. I keep telling Kevin, I'm like, I'm going to have you cut my hair. Just trim it so that I don't have to go pay $20 to get it cut and tip. It usually comes to about 25 bucks. And I told him, I said, I'm going to cut it to about here, and then you just take it all the way around. And then I just don't do it. So I'm having that. I don't know if that's what I want to do or not. Okay, let's try this thing out. I need to take my glasses off for a minute so I can't see. Like I said, I've never used one of these wavers. Why did I buy the unique? Why did I say unique? Because it's mostly unique people that's selling this crap online. Why did I buy the Launch one? Oh no, I like their hair. I like their hair products. I mean, it's just that simple. Other than that little pearl, I did not like that. Okay. Let's see if it's hot yet. I can smell the heat on it, so we're going to give this a shot. I think this is something that's going to take a long time to do. Maybe not. What? That's different. Let's try the next piece. I hold it on for like 5 seconds. Wow. I don't know. What do you think? Let's try this side. Have y'all used one of these before? Definitely different. I'm about to knock everything off my counter. I hear kids fighting. I have an extra child here. It's like in the how we wore our hair in school, you know what I'm saying? Okay, you guys, I'm going to put you on cyber speed. I'm going to do my hair.
You got me acting out. You, all tenderness is out the window. What you do to me when the cold bites blue is straight cool. Oh, it has to be you leaving writings on the wall. Promise me roses and a hungry haze, but now there's only madness. Got me feeling dusty. Got me feeling dusty. I can't even whisper and it's hard to see. Don't take my hand and wake me. Tell me it's a dream, the worst kind you've ever dreamed. Don't wanna lay another night here. Don't wanna walk another mile. I just can't. Please don't make me do it. I got too much to lose. Too much to lose, too much to lose. Now lay me in the wilderness to dry up bits of your sweet caress. I can't wait no more. Willow trees have died and the last horn lark will fly.
There we go. I feel like I'm back in school when I used to braid my hair at night. But I mean, this goes really quick, and the more you use it, the more you figure out the best way to get the best wave. I think it's pretty cool, actually. I think it's pretty cool. Now, do we need to spend what they want for that? No. I think you could probably get one at Walmart. I think they have one that's called Got to Be. Could probably get it. I mean, if you can get it on sale at launch, yeah, this thing's nice. Like I said, it comes with a glove. this is a little hot. Now the other side will be super hot. But I mean, you can see how it comes together when it closes. And that's what, and the fact that you can do big chunks of hair at the same time, I really love. But yeah, this thing's kind of neat. Like I said, I've never used one before at all. What do you think? Pull my hair back. This is, I like big hair, you guys. Not like big Texas hair. Don't get me wrong. I love, but on other people. But I like mine just big and messy. Big, messy hair. Big, messy hair. And I see a straight piece. Get her. The whole time I was doing this, I could hear kids arguing over them damn games. I think one's going home tonight. The other two live with me. But I think Chrissy's going to come get her later. But here we go. Nice curly hair. Let's go look at it in light that it's not yellow. Let's see. There we go. Look. Frizzy hair. Not bad. Hi, what do you need?
My charger.
You need a charger?
Yeah.
You're gonna stay in pajamas all day?
Yeah.
Yeah, come in here. Oh, brought the dog with you, huh?
Yeah.
We'll get you a charger. Let's see. Hello? Say hi. What is your name? Tell them what your name is.
Liv.
Liv. Olivia. Show them what you're playing. Nice. Roblox? Okay, let's go charge her up. Or where are you going to sit? So that's it, guys. That is the lay waver. This is what it did to my hair. It was super quick, actually, and really super easy. And I don't know, I kind of like it, to tell you the truth. It's just, it's different. But like I said, I'm sure you can get these cheaper somewhere else. But if you can get it on sale at launch, this is a really good one, actually. Or if you just like launch products, I mean, like I do, I just love their products. I don't know what it is, but I do. And I'm real, it's kind of like people like Chi, you know what I'm saying? They like the Chi straighteners and things like that. And they pay good money for it. I don't care to pay good money for something that actually works. So, yeah. This was my lay waver. This is what it looks like. See if I can turn it off. How do I turn it off? Off. That would be it, right? You guys, definitely, I do like this a lot, actually. I have to see what Kevin says when he comes home. But yeah, I like it. Like I said, it reminds me when I used to braid my hair in school. And you wake up, take the braids out, and be really frizzy. This is what it reminds me of. But of course, I'm going to find pieces that I miss. But it was really super easy. I like it. Bam! Love it, actually. Okay, guys, that's it. That's everything that I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed the video, give this channel a subscribe. Just hit that red subscribe button below. You're the first ones to know every time I post a new video. But you guys, I love you. Stay safe. Stay healthy. I think about you guys all the time. And I'm going to talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye.